Hello, it's Susan here in my virtual classroom at Booked Up English. I'm so happy to see you today. Today's lesson is a vocabulary lesson from the theme At School. Click the link below to see all the words in this unit. Let's go. Marker, marker, marker. This is a marker. What's this? This is a marker. Crayon, crayon, crayon. This is a crayon. What's this? This is a crayon. Colored pencil, colored pencil, colored pencil. This is a colored pencil. What's this? This is a colored pencil. Thanks for learning today. Like, subscribe, or follow to get all the latest lessons. See you again soon.